Shallow boxes work well for miniature cabinets of curiosities because objects displayed will be more visible. These boxes are from greeting cards and electronics. Rectangular or square scraps of cardstock of various sizes will work. The size of the cardstock will determine the size of the display cubby. Measure the depth of the Cabinet of Curiosities box and use this same measurement or a little less for the sides of the cubbies. In this example, the sides of the cubbies will be 1 inch deep, so I'm measuring a 1 inch border along each side of the cardstock. The border lines will be fold lines. Scoring the fold lines will create crisp, clean folds. Make 2 cuts along the scored lines on each long side of the cardstock, from the edge to the intersecting scored line. Fold all the scored lines. Apply glue to the small square corner tabs. Shape the cardstock into a box and secure the glued tab at each corner. Continue making cubbies of various sizes. When you have several cubbies made, begin arranging them in the Cabinet of Curiosities box. Spaces between cubbies form additional cubbies. If some cubbies need stabilizing, glue them together as needed. The cubbies in this example are tightly snuggled together, so no glue was required. I used small pieces of thin wood to change the background color of 2 of the cubbies, so the objects in them would be more visible. All the items in this Cabinet of Curiosities are from nature, but of course in your Cabinet of Curiosities, you'll display objects that are interesting to you.